my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today we are looking at jewelry pieces and thinking how we might be able to put them on our junk journals, on our suitcases, on our purses, on our belts, on our necklaces, and making earrings. So we are getting creative ideas, and I would love for you to hit that comment button. Let me know what ideas you have or how you have used these beautiful, beautiful pieces. And Hobby Lobby now has them about half price. Look at those fish. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love these mushrooms, acorns, butterflies, different pieces. Up in the left-hand corner, you've got your jellyfish, spiders. 'Tis the season for spiders. And my friends, how would you use these? Let me know in the comments below. I am picking up some today for the dangles on my junk journals. Look at those lobsters, penguins. Love this. Turtles. And how whimsical, how creative. What is your favorite kind? I love these little bottles with the different rocks in them. I used to know what they meant. I'm going to have to look those rocks up again. And little potion bottles. Love, 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 love these options. Bears, trees, the tree of life, fox, wolf, anchors, and the stones. Such incredible, incredible jewelry. And again, Hobby Lobby has them right now 50% off on about 2/3 of what we're seeing here today in this aisle. And I am loving the books. They have the ready-made books to maybe dangle from the homemade junk journals. Look at these gnomes. Oh my goodness. Absolutely adorable. And these stones. Ideas, 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 ideas. And look here on the left, we have the Mad Hatter ideas with the cards, the hat, different jars. Oh my goodness, the creativity. I would love to work for one of these companies. Wouldn't that be the coolest thing ever? Making these little dolls, making these wonderful ideas for this creative jewelry parts. And how creative we can get putting them on different things. Hit that comment button down below. Let me know how you would use these items and how you would flaunt them. I'm thinking maybe even buttons. Can I turn some of these into buttons for a fancy top of a dress or a shirt? Oh my goodness, I love them. Swords. I wonder if I could take these swords online in these bottles. I mean, when I travel on the airplanes. Mushrooms. Oh, look. Hole through the top, hole through the bottom. Perfect for danglings on our junk journals. And look at these. Crown. Ancient swords. Oh, I love these. And 50% off, my friends. Definitely makes these affordable and usable on some of your jewelry. But you've got to think, okay, which one do I want today? Have a great day, my friends.